Imagine this, you're sitting at your desk hearing stories of people making fortunes overnight with DeFi. The idea of financial freedom is just too tempting to ignore. You finally decide to try DeFi, lured by the promise of high yields on your crypto. The platforms look sleek, the numbers are impressive, and everyone online seems to be winning. You research, pick a protocol, and deposit your savings. It feels like you're taking control of your financial future, stepping into a new era of investing. For months, your investment grows. Every day, you check your balance and watch it climb. It feels like you've cracked the code to wealth and you start dreaming bigger. Then, one morning, you check your wallet. Your balance is zero. Everything you worked for, gone in an instant. Panic sets in. You learn the protocol was hacked, funds drained by a smart contract exploit. The news is everywhere, but there's nothing you can do. In DeFi, there's no bank to call, no safety net. When your money's gone, it's usually gone for good. The sense of helplessness is overwhelming. This harsh reality has hit thousands. High rewards come with high risks. The stories of loss are just as real as the stories of success. Even the most reputable projects can have hidden vulnerabilities. No system is completely safe, and the risks are often invisible until it's too late. DeFi's power is its decentralization, but that also means you're on your own if disaster strikes. There's freedom but also responsibility. So how do you protect yourself while still participating in this financial revolution? Is there a way to enjoy the benefits without risking everything? We need a shield, a way to safeguard our assets. Security must be as innovative as the technology itself. Let's talk about how to get it and how you can protect your future in the world of DeFi. What makes DeFi protocols so fragile? The biggest risk is smart contract failure. Think of a smart contract as a vending machine. If someone finds a flaw, they can empty it. Hackers hunt for these flaws, draining millions in minutes. Economic exploits are another threat. Manipulating market conditions to trick protocols. Remember Beanstalk Farms? A flash loan gave a hacker enough voting power to steal $180 million, no code broken, just rules manipulated. As DeFi grows, so do the incentives for attackers. You can't just chase high yields and hope for the best. Without protection, you're flying without a parachute. Enter Decentralized Insurance, the safety net for DeFi. Instead of a big company, coverage comes from a community pooling funds to protect each other. It's like a digital neighborhood watch. If a protocol gets hacked, the pool helps cover losses. Underwriters provide capital and earn fees. Buyers pay a premium for coverage. Everything runs on transparent smart contracts. No CEO, no hidden rules. Claims are assessed by the community, not a single authority. For a small fee, you can insure your assets against specific risks, like smart contract hacks. It doesn't erase risk, but it turns disaster into a manageable cost. With decentralized insurance, you're walking the DeFi tightrope with a safety net. That's smart risk management. Here's how it works. Imagine you want to protect your crypto assets from unexpected risks, like hacks or smart contract failures. You visit a decentralized insurance platform, like Nexus Mutual or InsurAce, right from your browser, with no need for lengthy phone calls or paperwork. Choose the DeFi protocol you want to cover, whether it's a lending platform, an exchange, or a yield farm. Next, select your coverage amount and duration, then pay the premium using crypto, often in just a few clicks. The smart contract issues your policy instantly, no paperwork, no agents, and no waiting for approval. If a covered hack or exploit happens, you simply file a claim online, submitting digital evidence to support your case. The claim is reviewed and voted on by the community or specialized assessors, ensuring fairness and transparency. If your claim is approved, the payout is sent directly to your wallet from the shared capital pool. No middlemen involved. The entire process is transparent, fast, and governed by code, not by corporate interests or hidden agendas. Your policy covers specific events, so always read the terms carefully to know exactly what's protected. This is decentralized governance in action. Protection by the people, for the people, with everyone having a say. It's insurance, reimagined for the digital age, built on trustless technology and community power. And when disaster strikes, having this digital shield can make all the difference for your peace of mind. Traditional insurance is centralized. Big companies, slow claims, and profit-driven decisions. These companies act as the gatekeepers, controlling every aspect of your policy, from what's covered to how and when you get paid. Every claim paid is money lost for them, so the process can be long and adversarial. Customers often feel like they're fighting an uphill battle just to get what they're owed, facing endless paperwork and delays. Decentralized insurance flips the script. No central company, just users and smart contracts. Instead of relying on a single authority, the system is powered by a global network, making it more accessible and less biased. Capital pools are funded by users, and payouts are governed by transparent rules. Smart contracts automatically enforce these rules, so everyone knows exactly how decisions are made. Anyone with a crypto wallet can buy coverage in minutes from anywhere in the world. There's no need for lengthy applications or waiting for approval from a company. Claims are processed faster, sometimes in days, not weeks. Automation means less human error and fewer unnecessary delays, so users get help when they need it most. The system's goal is reliability, not maximizing shareholder profit. It's designed to serve the community, focusing on fairness and trust rather than just the bottom line. But it's still new, capital pools are smaller, and voting systems can be gamed. There are challenges to overcome, like ensuring enough funds and preventing manipulation by a few users. Still, the transparency and community alignment make it ideal for crypto's unique risks. Everyone can see how decisions are made, building trust and accountability. You can see exactly what's covered and how claims work. No fine print surprises. Everything is open and easy to understand, so you know what to expect. It's a revolutionary upgrade for the digital asset world, offering protection that matches the speed and transparency of blockchain technology. The future of insurance is open, global, and user-driven. And it's here now, ready to empower anyone who wants to protect their digital life. Ready to protect your DeFi assets? Here's how to choose the right insurance. First, check the size and health of the capital pool. Can it cover big claims? Read the policy details. What's covered, what's excluded, and how claims are handled. Who votes on claims? Token holders or a specialized committee? Look for a platform with a proven track record of paying out claims. Compare premiums, but don't just pick the cheapest. Balance cost with reliability. The DeFi space is evolving, but risks remain real. Insuring your funds shows you're a smart, proactive investor. Evaluate capital, coverage, claims, and history before you buy. Don't wait for disaster. Protect your assets now. In DeFi, peace of mind is priceless.